Hello everybody. In this video I will explain cryptocurrency and its work. A cryptocurrency is a digital currency that is secured by cryptography. Bitcoin is one of the example of cryptocurrency. So whenever you make a payment with Bitcoin, its all data is saved securely in a blockchain. A blockchain acts as a ledger, which means it holds the financial details of the person. Each block in the blockchain represents details such as, who is the seller, who bought it and for how much, with their own unique hash code. Why people invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is like digital gold, where people invest their money, to sell whenever the value of cryptocurrency is high enough to make profit from it.
If you have been following the news lately, then as of October, Big B has joined the crypto craze as CoinDCX brand ambassador.
Bad side of crypto. As the cryptocurrency is new and unstable, there's a huge risk of losing more money than you have invested. Companies like Tesla and Microsoft used to accept Bitcoin, until now. Due to volatility of cryptocurrency, which means rapid or unpredictable changes, to avoid the loss, both the companies have stepped back. Should you invest in cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the future of the currency. But for now it's all digital and highly unstable. So I will only suggest you to invest a little amount that you're not afraid to lose. I'd like to thank you all for watching this video, and I hope I have enlightened your mind with this short video.